Now we are going to learn how to write a quadratic equation in vertex form. So let's suppose this is our quadratic equation. F of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 1. The first thing you want to do is something like completing the square. To do this, we put our x values in parentheses and our constant outside of the parentheses. Now we're going to complete the square inside of the parentheses. To do that, you take the number in front of x, or the coefficient of x, which is -4, take half of that, which gives you -2, and square -2 to get a +4. Unlike completing the square we did before, where you would move your constant to the other side, this time our constant is still on the same side as the rest of our equation. So instead of adding 4, we're going to subtract 4. This balances out our equation so that we will not change the value of it. 4 and a -4 give you 0, so I'm not changing the value of this equation. The next thing I want to do is factor the x squared minus 4x plus 4, and that's going to be x minus 2 times x minus 2, or x minus 2 squared, and 1 minus 4 is -3. So now my equation is in vertex form. And now that it's in vertex form, we know that our vertex, based on the definition of vertex form, is 2, -3.